In the shadows of the unknown, where reality meets the ethereal, welcome, dear viewers, to a journey that transcends the boundaries of the living. As we delve into the macabre, subscribe to become a spectral companion, and with a spine-chilling touch, unleash the ethereal power by hauntingly pressing the like button. The tales we unravel tonight beckon you to the edge of darkness. Are you prepared to step into the haunted realms that await? In the dimly lit corners of an antique shop, I stumbled upon an artifact that would forever alter the course of my life, a vintage typewriter. Its keys, worn with age, seemed to beckon with an otherworldly energy. Little did I know the haunting tale that awaited. As I placed the haunted typewriter on my desk, shadows began to dance with a life of their own. An ethereal whisper, soft yet insistent, echoed through the room. It was as if the very essence of the typewriter yearned to communicate, sharing secrets buried in the ink-stained keys. Late into the night, the sound of tapping keys resonated through the stillness. Intrigued and unnerved, I approached the typewriter. To my disbelief, it was as though an unseen hand was typing a message. The words formed a cryptic narrative, hinting at a tragic tale of love and loss. The typewriter became a conduit for a ghostly presence, a soul trapped between realms. Each keystroke unfolded a symphony of emotions, unveiling a love story severed by tragedy. The air became heavy with the lingering sorrow of a spirit desperate to complete its unfinished tale. Beside the haunted typewriter, an inkwell materialized, untouched by mortal hands. The ink seemed to possess a life of its own, shaping words that mirrored the phantom typist's longing. I became a scribe for a spectral storyteller, caught between the worlds of the living and the dead. Driven by an unrelenting curiosity, I initiated a midnight seance, inviting the ghostly presence to communicate. The room crackled with energy as the typewriter clacked with purpose. The spirit's tale unfolded with a haunting melody, drawing me deeper into a narrative woven with strands of sorrow. The typewriter became a portal, bridging the gap between the mundane and the ethereal. As the ghostly typist poured its heart into the keys, the room transformed. I stood at the threshold of a realm where emotions transcended time and the boundaries of life and death blurred. In the ghostly glow, ink-stained memories materialized. I witnessed the ill-fated love story, a romance marred by betrayal and a promise broken in the cruelest of ways. The typewriter became a vessel for the spirits to rewrite their history, seeking redemption through the written word. With each passing night, the haunting melancholy of the typewriter's song seeped into my very soul. I felt the weight of the spirit's emotions, a sorrowful burden that transcended the boundaries of the supernatural. The typewriter had become a conduit for shared grief. As the typewriter etched the final chapters of the ghostly saga, the veil between our worlds began to unravel. The room pulsed with an otherworldly energy, and I found myself standing on the precipice of a transcendent journey where the living and the dead coexisted. In a climactic crescendo, the typewriter's keys fell silent. The ghostly presence, having bared its soul through the written word, found solace. The room returned to a hushed stillness, and I was left with a profound sense of having participated in a spectral farewell. Though the typewriter rested in quietude, the echoes of the haunted tale lingered. The ink-stained memories left an indelible mark on my consciousness. The typewriter, once a harbinger of ghostly whispers, now stood as a silent witness to a love story that transcended the boundaries of life and death. As dawn broke, the haunted typewriter retained its enigmatic aura. The room, once charged with spectral energy, settled into a tranquil stillness. The artifact had shared its haunting narrative, and I, forever changed, marveled at the profound connection forged between the living and the departed. As we bid farewell to the echoes that linger, thank you for venturing into the haunting tapestry of the haunted typewriter. If the tendrils of fear have ensnared you, if the spectral narrative has woven its way into the fabric of your nightmares, become one with the unseen. Subscribe to stay tethered to the haunted, and with a ghostly caress, tap that like button, casting your vote in favor of more tales that bridge the realms of the living and the departed. Until our spectral paths cross again, may your dreams be haunted and your reality touched by the unknown.